world's fastest. Low-cost, high-volume printing. Two-drum, high-speed printing. The fact that our printers are in regular use worldwide in more than 190 countries and regions. Create fundamentally unique products. That is RISO KAGAKU Corporation. Newspaper extra editions, where every minute and every second counts. School handouts that are printed in large volumes. Meeting handouts used at the office. We can commit to meeting these kinds of high-speed, multi-page printing needs. This is RISO. In 2016, RISO is celebrating the 70th anniversary of its founding. During their 70 years of history, they have met challenge after challenge, always creating new value. After the World War II, it all started with a single mimeograph printing device. The founder of RISO started a printing business and immediately ran into problems obtaining the imported ink they were relying on. He decided to develop RISO's own ink and produced Japan's first emulsion ink, RISO Ink. They changed from a printing company to a manufacturer of printing equipment. From 1970 into the 1980s, they took on the challenge of developing printing machines. The Print Gokko, a printer for home use, was an enormous hit. They produced one groundbreaking printing machine after another. One was the RISOgraph stencil printer that feeds ink automatically. RISO changed fundamentally from a manufacturer of printing equipment to a comprehensive stencil printer manufacturer. In 2003, they entered the inkjet business and launched a high-speed inkjet color printer. This was a cutting-edge product that achieved the world's fastest speed and low running cost with economic efficiency of monochrome printing. The RISO challenge continues even today. The ComColor high-speed color printer. This product overturned the conventional wisdom that color output had to be expensive and slow. This fundamentally unique inkjet printer made color printing a familiar presence in a way previously unseen. Its speed leads the world at 160 pages per minute. What supports this phenomenon is RISO's proprietary technology. In inkjet printers for home use, the printing head makes many passes across the paper to print letters. The ComColor, however, has parallel inline inkjet printing heads in 5 colors that can print across the short edge of A3 width paper all at once. The printer aims ink droplets to impact accurately onto papers that are running through at high speed. Our comprehensive capabilities in a wide range of technologies, from chemistry and mechanics to electrical and software engineering, have achieved a speed on a par with industrial use printers, but in a compact form that can be used in the office. Since its launch, the ComColor has raised the world's speed bar, and its record still stands unbroken. The RISOgraph Digital Duplicator. It was produced by combining the principles of stencil printing with RISO's original technology. The fact that these products are in active use in more than 190 countries and regions around the world is the proof of their global uniqueness and ease of use. In stencil printing, holes are opened in the original master and ink is passed through the holes to create the printing image onto the paper. The master that the RISOgraph prints from is made from a layer of film bonded onto Japanese washi paper. Heat is applied to the film to open holes corresponding to the original, forming a master in about 20 seconds. The master is clamped onto the print drum and printing paper is passed under it at high speed. Printing takes place when the printing paper is pressed against the drum by the press roller and the image is transferred. The risograph is a groundbreaking digital printing machine that can process the same original at high speed and at a low running cost. In creating fundamentally unique products, this process of development is supported by three core technologies: ink development technology, high-speed paper feeding system technology, and printing process optimization technology. In 2013, the RISO Research and Design Center opened in Tsukuba City, Ibaraki Prefecture. This concentrated the development divisions of RISO KAGAKU in one of Japan's greatest science cities. The center provides the ultimate work environment. Its purpose is to encourage developers to nourish free ideas, to heighten communication among developers, and to increase the speed of development.
I am held accountable for ink development. It is quite interesting to me to try to realize the performance required while thinking out the materials to be blended with the ink by myself. I am under the responsibility of the process from design of products to their launch into the market consistently. I feel very encouraged to see that the design is going to be productized finally. I am in charge of the design of the paper conveyance unit set under the print head of the high-speed inkjet color printer, ComColor. It is really important to let land the ink injected from the print head accurately on the paper being transported at high speed, and at the same time to keep the printed image clear. Although it is extremely difficult, but I feel a sense of accomplishment when I achieve both of them. I am very proud to participate in development of the world's fastest printer. I investigate customer needs and market trends, and consider what technology is required by customers and then integrate it into our products. RISO KAGAKU Corporation is in an atmosphere where you can challenge something new. I think people with high information sensitivity gather in this company, and not only AI-related, but also IoT-related new information come in through them. Concerning AI, I want to be second to none in the company as an engineer.
In the manufacturing factory, we have a manufacturing system that takes advantage of RISO's unique strengths in integrated end-to-end production, from development and manufacturing to sales and support. The product division collaborates with the development division from the early stages of research and development. The divisions engage in product development on the assumption that mass production will take place, so they build a highly efficient production system.
We are also moving ahead with globalization of production. Our manufacturing centers in Japan are mainly producing ComColor hardware and consumables.
Overseas, our Shenzhen plant in Guangdong Province, China, and our Rojana plant in Ayutthaya Province, Thailand, are producing risograph hardware. For the sake of children who will inherit the future, it was the founders' wish that RISO products would be of use in the field of school education around the world.
In keeping with that spirit, RISO has been engaged in overseas business since 1986, over 3 decades ago. Today, our business has spread to more than 190 countries and regions, and RISO's products are in active use all around the world.
Our product reliability is not the only thing that allows us to hold the top share of the world market and boast of high ratings. Our stable supply of consumables and our solid maintenance system also play a part. RISO has over 20 overseas subsidiaries and RISO Group staff members of each regions meeting our customers' needs. RISO is developing products and services that improve convenience while reducing environmental burdens. We strive to develop products that pursue not only product performance, but also environmental performance, without compromising either. The Orphis FW series of high-speed color printers for the Japan market won the Product of the Year award at the EcoMark Award 2016, sponsored by the Japan Environment Association. This was given to them in recognition of its significant performance to reduce the amount of total volatile organic compounds, TVOC emissions, together with the award with the Blue Angel Eco-Label organized by the Federal Environment Agency of Germany. We were selected as an official partner of the 21st Conference of Signatories to the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, COP21, held in Paris, France in 2015. Our ComColor printers are renowned for their energy efficiency, since they do not require heat for their high productivity, since they print at such high speed, and for their reliability. Over the 12 days of COP21, we provided about 3 million pages of printed output of contracts, treaties, and related materials for use in the conference, as well as maintenance support. Create fundamentally unique products. We will continue to read the changing times in advance as we take on the challenge of creating new products and services for our customers.